Hello, my name is Sochi Jan, and this is PETE&C 2013. Let's head inside. Why are conferences like PETE&C so important to educators?
You know, what I find great about PETE&C is that it gives everybody an opportunity to get together, to come and meet with our peers, talk about programs we're doing, and usually when you share ideas like that with other like-minded educators, it's the kind of thing that helps stimulate new programs, helps us all adapt, and helps everybody grow as an educational community in the whole state. That's what I find the most beneficial.
Hi, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yes, I'm Anthony Morales, senior at Bloomsburg University. And this is my first time at PETE&C, and I'm actually really excited to be here.
Okay, how did you find yourself presenting at PETE&C?
Well, one of my professors at the university told me about this conference, and I just had to jump on the bit to embrace the opportunity to present, to really stand out to a lot of professionals that are here today.
Hi, I'm here with Jonathan Strickland from How Stuff Works. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I greatly appreciate it.
What are some of the challenges facing students in managing information today?
Wow. All right. Well, I think the big one is that there's a lot of information out there. You're talking about massive amounts of data. So being able to navigate all that information and find the stuff that's specifically relevant to your needs is a bit of a challenge. The biggest challenge is on the student to learn the effective ways of searching and how to find that information and use it in a way that makes sense.
Why are conferences like PETE&C so important to educators?
It's important because there are two sides to technology and education. One side is the technology itself. So getting access to technology is very important when it comes to educating students. The other side of that is learning how to use the technology in the most effective way. So conferences like this allow people to share knowledge and to explain the techniques to use the technology so that students can learn. It takes more than just handing a student a laptop, because that's giving a student a tool without explaining how to use it. And without that explanation, the tool is not very useful.
Thank you for joining us today. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Sure. I'm Kyle Peck, Professor of Education at Penn State University.
Thank you. Why are conferences like PETE&C so important to educators?
Well, because educators have a lot of good ideas, but they don't have much time to talk to each other about them. So conferences like this are places where they can meet and share good ideas. And all teachers and students need good ideas, need new ideas.
Technology has changed the way we learn now. How do you think it will change in the future?
I think that learning will change, will be a lot more independent. So you know how right now on Amazon.com you can go and find any product you want, find a whole bunch of descriptions of different options in that product, order it from a lot of different places, shop by price and quality, and look at customer reviews. I think education now, you go one place for a long time for a great big product, but in the future you're going to end up putting together an education with pieces. And you're going to end up getting one credential from a certain place and another credential from another place. And you're going to say, if I want to be this, I need these kinds of things. And you're going to put something together with lots of good information about the different places you can go to learn that, and with lots of opportunity and variations in cost.
Thanks for coming to PETE&C 2013. See you next year.